been instrumental towards the success of our institution. Please join me in welcoming our esteemed Vice Principal, Supraja Ma'am, to the stage. I want a huge round of applause. Come on, let's hear it. Great job. Throughout the year, Ma'am has tirelessly worked alongside our faculty, staff and students, embodying our institute's values of excellence and commitment. Her guidance and support have been invaluable in steering us towards our goals and aspirations. So I would like to call upon Supraja Ma'am to the stage.
Thank you, Chavi. That was a great introduction. Esteemed correspondent, Mr. Rajendra Kumar, Coordinator, Ms. Andali Hussain, our proud parent, all the teaching and non-teaching staff of iMemory, and my dear children, a very good evening. I am delighted and honored to present to you the crowning jewel of our academic year, the Annual Report 23-24. As we gather on this auspicious evening of our annual day celebration, let us bask in the glow of our collective achievements and revel in the process we have made together. At iMemory School, we are embarking on an extraordinary journey, steadfastly committed to the monumental task of shaping young minds. iMemory is not just a name, it's a beacon of our mission. A mission to foster compassionate and discerning individuals through a holistic approach and to quality education. We believe in nurturing every child, guiding them towards excellence and instilling in them the values that will shape not just their academic success but their character and contribution to society. Ladies and gentlemen, it fills me with immense pride to share that our students have achieved remarkable feats this academic year, transcending excellence not only in academics but also in extracurricular activities and sports. Let us take a moment to reflect on the various dimensions of our school's achievements over the past year. Before delving deeper, let me reintroduce the esteemed founder of iMemory School, Mr. Rajendra Kumar. As the visionary behind our institution, Mr. Rajendra has dedicated himself to its growth and success, serving as a steadfast correspondent whose invaluable contributions have shaped our journey. Let's give a big round of applause for our founder once again. Thank you. Trips. We have organized various field trips so far. The inaugural field trip took our students to the Krishi Vignan Kendra, where they delved into the fascinating realm of plant growth and cultivation techniques. The second field trip for high schoolers involves a visit to a bank, providing them with a valuable educational experience that extends beyond traditional classroom instructions. This excursion immerses students in real-world financial transactions, fostering independence and responsibility. The third field trip, the grandest of them all, took the high schoolers to the breathtaking Narsimakonda, where they were treated to an unforgettable experience. The 8th grade students were introduced to rappelling here, a thrilling adventure that filled them with excitement. None of this would have been possible without the dedication and expertise of our trekking master, Mr. Ramana, who also serves as a chess coach. Coming to the visits of preschool students, they visited Children's Park, which gave them beautiful rides and fun. The school embraced a rich tapestry of cultural events throughout the year, honoring various festivals and occasions with enthusiasm and fervor. Sri Krishnastami, Diwali and Vinayaka Chavati were celebrated with traditional rituals, while Christmas was adorned with a capitative drama, adding charm and joy to the festive season. Independence Day and Republic Day resonated with patriotic fervor as students cherished the freedom struggle and the spirit of unity and diversity that defines the nation. Children's Day and Teachers' Day were marked by exuberant celebrations brimming with joy and appreciation for the invaluable roles played by both students and teachers in the school community. At iMemory, Doctor's Day was celebrated with enthusiasm. School children pay a special visit to all the doctor parents, expressing their appreciation for their dedication and hard work to the society. During these visits, the children engage with the doctors, learning about their profession and gaining valuable insights that inspires them. This year, year's Science Day was a delightful occasion as children from various grades exhibited their science projects with remarkable interest and ease. Their enthusiasm and confidence in presenting their projects left both parents and chief guests astonished. However, it was the little scientists from grade 1 who stole the show, become the center of attraction with their adorable introductions and charming get-ups. Coming to Color Days, in kindergarten, we celebrated Color Days where children learned about different colors while having fun, dressing up in colorful costumes and playing with toys of various colors. Each Color Day was filled with activities like art and crafts, games, helping children recognize and appreciate different colors. These celebrations were not only enjoyable but also educational, teaching children about the world of colors in a fun and engaging way. Puppet shows were also organized to teach kids morals in a fun way. Children loved watching the puppet shows, also learned important lessons from the stories. It was a fun and educational experience for them. Graduation Day is celebrated with pomp and grandeur as our EE2 kids transition to grade 1. The sight of the little ones holding their degrees fills the proud parents with immense happiness. It's a joyous occasion that makes the end of one chapter and the beginning of another in their educational journey. To enhance communication skills among students, the school has implemented several initiatives. Every Saturday, group discussions and jam sessions were organized, providing students with opportunities to hone their speaking abilities. These sessions were designed to develop confidence, articulation, while ensuring that every student gets a chance to participate during their house assembly. As you may already be aware, our students are divided into 4 houses: Parakrama, Pragati, Pradhan and Prakriti. This academic year, we have orchestrated a series of inter-house competitions aimed at fostering teamwork, showcasing students' talents. One such event was the Dreamy Delight Fiesta, where each house had the opportunity to exhibit their art and craft as well as cooking skills to parents and the school community. It was a platform for students to demonstrate their creativity and artistic flair. Throughout the event, students from each house gave outstanding teamwork and spirit, presenting delectable dishes and intricate art carvings. The competition not only highlighted their individual skills but also celebrated the collective efforts of each house, promoting a sense of unity and healthy competition among the students. Credit goes to Mr. Sukumar, whose artistry and craftsmanship have imbued our school with an enhanced aesthetic charm and beauty, contributing significantly to the event's success. Spell bee competitions were also held at school this year, house-wise, which left everyone astounded by the exceptional performance of the students. It's undeniable that the judges had a challenging task at hand, navigating through numerous rounds and facing significant hardships to determine the winners. The highlight of our inter-house competitions is undoubtedly the Speed Sports 23-24. This event brought together students from all the houses to showcase their athletic prowess and sportsmanship. Despite the physical exertion that day, the enthusiasm and spirit of the students remained undiminished. Throughout the event, the atmosphere was electric, with students and teachers alike rallying behind their respective houses with spirited cheers and slogans. It was a day filled with excitement and a shared sense of determination to excel against rival houses. After all the competitions throughout the whole year, finally, the winner house is Pragati House and received the annual trophy yesterday by the correspondent sir. Under the tough competition with other 3 houses, finally Pragati became the trophy winner of this academic year. So congratulations to Pragati, house mentors and as well as all the team members from Pragati once again. And all the best for the remaining 3 houses for the next year. At Time Memory School, we believe in nurturing the whole child, which includes teaching important life skills for the 21st century. Alongside traditional subjects, we prioritize teaching students essential skills like tying shoelace, filling water bottles, packing bags, counting money, good touch, bad touch, etc. Our goal is to prepare students not only for academic success but also for success in life by equipping them with practical skills and values they will need in the real world. Chess serves as a powerful tool for fostering intellectual growth, strategic thinking, and personal development in children. By participating in intra-school chess competition, students had the opportunity to showcase their progress and demonstrate the practical application of their chess skills. Children have learned essential basics in martial arts, empowering them with the skills needed to defend themselves from potential dangers. Mr. Balaji's dedication and expertise in teaching martial arts have been commendable. Skating is a thrilling and enjoyable activity for children, bringing them immense joy and excitement, regardless of their grade level. Every child has relished their time in the skating class, where they have not only had fun, but also learned the fundamentals under the guidance of coach Mr. Jitendra. Their outstanding performance in the recent intra-school skating competition serves as a shining example of their dedication and hard work. Learning to play the keyboard is not just about music, it's a journey that shapes children in various ways. Under the guidance of coach Mr. Pavan, children not only learn music but also grow holistically. Our school choir's past performance stands as a beautiful reflection of the hard work and passion of our students. Classical dance, the girls immersed themselves in learning classical dance with sheer joy, demonstrating a deep passion for this traditional art form. Today's inaugural performance was a magnificent showcase of their dedication and love for classical dance. Credit goes to the master Miss Silpa, whose exceptional teaching has inspired and guided them on this artistic journey. This year, grade 1 and 2 children at iMemory have not only delved into basic abacus concept but also embraced them eagerly. The guidance of abacus mentor Ms. Jignasha has been instrumental in this journey, as evidenced by the remarkable progress made by the children in a relatively short period. Their outstanding performance in the recent abacus competition serves as a shining example of their dedication and hard work. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all our teachers who tirelessly strive to make a difference in the lives of our students with their dedication, love and care. Special thanks to Ms. Andalib Hussain, whose nurturing care for our KG kindergarten students is truly commendable. I extend my appreciation to all the non-teaching staff, including Mr. Paramesh, Mr. Vinay, Mr. Bharat, all the caretakers and security personnel from both the branches for their round-the-clock service and support. A big thank you to Raj sir, the backbone of our institution, whose problem-solving skills and encouragement towards adopting new teaching techniques have been invaluable. Your presence brings a sense of peace to the premises, sir. Congratulations to all the achievers who have made us proud, and thank you to all our distinguished guests for gracing this occasion with their presence. Your time and support are truly appreciated. Once again, thank you all for your contributions towards making this event a success. Before concluding, with immense happiness, I would like to announce that we are opening a new branch soon. I would like to call Raj sir onto the dais to give more details on our new branch.